If you are serious about managing your cryptocurrency securely and efficiently, choosing the right Uphold wallet is crucial. Uphold is a versatile platform that allows users to buy, sell, and hold a wide range of cryptocurrencies, as well as traditional assets like dollars and gold. Among the available options, the best Uphold wallet for crypto is the Uphold mobile app wallet, available for both iOS and Android. The mobile app wallet offers a seamless experience for managing multiple crypto assets in one place. Users can hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and over 60 other digital currencies. One of the key advantages of this wallet is its real-time conversion feature, allowing instant swaps between different cryptocurrencies or even between crypto and fiat currencies. This eliminates the need for multiple exchanges and reduces transaction fees significantly. Security is a top priority with Uphold. The wallet uses industry-standard security measures including two-factor authentication, biometric login, and encrypted private keys stored in secure servers. Users also benefit from the platform's insurance coverage, which provides additional protection against potential breaches. Funding your Uphold wallet is straightforward. You can link your bank account, debit card, or use crypto deposits from other wallets. Transactions are typically fast, with Bitcoin deposits confirming within minutes and Ethereum or Litecoin often faster. The platform also offers low transaction fees compared to traditional exchanges, helping you maximize your investment. For active traders and long-term holders alike, the Uphold wallet offers a transparent and user-friendly interface, with detailed charts and real-time portfolio tracking. You can also set up recurring purchases for dollar-cost averaging, making it easier to grow your holdings steadily over time. The Uphold mobile app wallet combines security, flexibility, and convenience, making it the best choice for anyone looking to manage cryptocurrencies efficiently. It simplifies crypto management, reduces fees, and ensures your assets remain safe.